Well, welcome to this ValueMed and UK drug testing product support video for the barrel saliva drug test, ALLTEST DSD-8107. This is a 10 drug direct saliva barrel test, rapid test that gives you instant results within 10 minutes, screening for the drug groups listed here. And we're going to run through these for you this morning just so you understand what you're screening for with this test. So the OPI is the opiates or heroin screen. It's at 40 nanograms per mil. MET is methamphetamine, amphetamine, AMP, COC for cocaine, MTD methadone. MDMA is ecstasy, BZO is benzodiazepines, KET is ketamine, TML is tramadol, and the THC is a cannabis 12 nanogram saliva screen. Pack contains 20 tests, 20 collectors, one pack insert, and actually inside, just so you familiarise yourself with the outer packaging, you get 20 of these individual foil wrapped saliva barrels, again with all the CE certification and list of the drug groups included. One rapid procedure card that runs you through, if you're familiar with these tests, very quickly in terms of how to perform the test and the timings and how to interpret the results here, making it very easy for interpretation at the 10-minute read time. And of course, one full data set with all the detailed instructions, cross-reactivity, sensitivity, selectivity, and accuracy information for you. Now, all these tests prior to import go through batch certification, which is a basic quality control procedure to ensure that they do what they say on the packet. And those are available from us if you need to see them, but we do not import anything that has not passed its batch certification quality checks and is therefore certifiable as a in vitro diagnostic device, a medical testing device, healthcare quality, and we would not put those on the market without that certification. So that is the basic packs now. In the next part of this video, we're going to run you through the contents of those foils and the procedure for taking a saliva sample and your interpretation of your results.